Well, the Python 12 by 52 kept up with my expectations. I was very happy with it. One thing I think is neat is they advertise this has a 91% light transmission rate, which is very, very good. And I know if you're watching this, you're probably thinking, well, who is this best suited for? I would say people who are just generally outdoors kind of folks. Grab one of these and keep it in your side-by-side or your four-wheeler or maybe your truck or SUV. It's always convenient to have something like this. If you go camping or you're a backpacker, absolutely. If you're a boater, absolutely. Sometimes it's very convenient to have a monocular or binoculars with you in a boat or kayaking situation to see what's coming further. If there's rapids or something across the lake, maybe a cool birding opportunity. I definitely think birders will appreciate this quite a bit. And, the flexibility to be able to put it on a tripod or mount it onto something, maybe even your window. If you're a birder and you like to watch from the window, or use it as a handheld if you're on the trail or hunting, glassing hills, and you want to stay lightweight. I think 12 by 52 is going to get you into most categories, whether it's sporting events, hunting, or just casual bird watching. And I did have a really good experience with this. I think it's durable, and I think they live up to the reputation that they gave it when they advertised it as a very, very accessible monocular with high quality and great features. Head over now and check them out on Amazon.